So attention, make sure you use your rubbers so you don't get any leakage. Okay, so these are the headlights that I'm fitting. These are the Depo headlights for the 350Z. I wasn't originally going to go for these. I was going to actually modify my old set of headlights. These are not my old headlights, not the ones that actually came in the car anyway. I bought another set of these because the other ones were just absolutely knackered. So these headlights I'm going to put on as they are, but if they ever get condensation in them or anything like that, then I can always take them out, reseal them, modify them at the same time, and do all that good stuff for shows, not the road. So that's the plan. Anyway, I'm going to film myself unboxing them because that's what people do. Be excited because I'm about to take boxes apart. So my original plan was to modify my headlights. This is one of my old headlights that I took apart. This piece here was good, that's not too bad. The lenses, however, were just beyond repair. I tried polishing them, but they just weren't very good. Ooh, we're okay. Didn't come out any good, so I just didn't want to put them back on the car. So what my plan was, is I had some LED strips which you can cut to size. These are the lights that switch from daytime running lights to indicators, and they scroll as well. So they were going to sit behind here, which I cut all this piece out. Not just ignore that broken bit. So my plan was to remove the orange strip in here and then make one of my own out of epoxy resin, but it all just sort of settled in here because that itself is curved, so it just sort of settled at the lowest point. And then I made some plastic strips to sit in there, which actually came out quite well. And then these would sit behind it and the light would come through. However, because of the change in MOTs and headlights and LEDs, I think, I would run the risk of taking it for an MOT and failing. And the problem I had is then these were my only set of headlights. I did in fact buy some headlights because these were so knackered when I first got the car that I have got these as well. I'm not going to modify them purely because if I do fail, if I did it to modify these ones, I haven't got another set of headlights to put in, hence why I'm putting the Depo over there, headlights in. So if I do have any troubles come to the MOT, then I've always got this set to put back in, get it through its MOT, and then I can always switch them back if needed. So that is the plan. Okay, my next step is to take these out without breaking, although these are new. Super cheap off eBay. Take this off, and then all I need to do is get behind here, take 10mm off, some screws maybe, and then the bumper comes off. None of them survived. Okay, so that's the bumper off. Let's just take the headlights out, which is dead easy. A couple of 10mm. I think these lower ones, oh no, one of them did snap down at the bottom there. So there's a couple of 10mm there. This is a 2003 car, so some are bound to snap. But what I want to do is when I get the new ones in is try and make a gap down there because of these wings made for me. They just sitting a bit too close to that. I don't want them rubbing on the new ones. So next is to get the headlights out. (2003) headlights. That is the Depo headlights that I've got. This is all just cling film to put it on because that protects everything, obviously. So main differences are they're black, they're not, that's big, that's small, that's orange, that's not. They will fail an MOT, that won't. So yeah. The other thing as well, I don't think you can put the standard orange indicator bulbs in there. I've had to order some, which I'll fit anyway, but you have to take some bits off that, put it on that. I'll do that. I don't really want to do how-to videos and all that sort of stuff, but I will always show what I do. So like with the bumper, all it was is a row of clips that come off, some 10mm when you pull the wheel arch liner back and bumper comes off, and then headlights is some 10mm under there and 10mm on there. So let's do this. So when you're taking your lights out, these do come in one of the boxes. So if you open one of the smaller boxes within the big box and you don't see this, don't worry, it is in one of them. These are the O-rings for that, or one of them, I think that one. So attention, make sure you use your rubbers so you don't get any leakage. Anyway, so these are the ones that come with it. I probably will buy the Nissan genuine ones just so, because I don't want any problems. But for the time being, I shall use these. Okay, I've also taken the opportunity to loosen off the wing so I can just make a better gap down there so the metal's not rubbing on the plastic, so that's loads better. So what I'll do is I'll just leave the one fitted, leave one old one on it, wait until night, get some comparison shots, and then fit the other one tomorrow. And don't you love it when you get like a new phone or something? Oh yeah. Oh. Okay, so those shots there were just showing what the light was like from different angles. I didn't really try and talk over the sound of the engine, but you get the picture that the Depo headlight obviously looked a lot cleaner than the standard headlights. Even the lines down the side of the light just show so much better than the standard headlight. The standard headlights on my car, they're good condition, I suppose, but they're starting to show discoloration, and to be honest with you, I didn't really realise it until I'd put the new headlight in, and it just goes to show the massive difference between them. But yeah, just some angles and different shots of the two lights as a comparison side by side, so you know. I haven't done any sort of levelling on the new headlight, but that's your dipped beam. Oh, that went over there. Oh yeah, I've not got them on. That's a fail. Wrong side. That's main beam again. I need to adjust it, but no, I'm very, very happy with them. I think they're a good mod to do on your 350Z, and I do recommend them to anybody that has a 350Z, obviously. So dead easy to swap all the bits over. You take this part off, undo the ground which is screwed on that part there, take this bit out, and then you can take the bulb out. Just be careful that you don't touch it, the glass part, and then this unscrew that part there, disconnect the connector, and that feeds back through. So when you put it all back in, you put the bulb in and then clamp it down, then put the ground on it, which doesn't screw in the same way as this one. So that one's on the side and that's on the bottom, but I've turned it the other way around, so because on the first time I did it, the first headlight, that seemed a bit tight. But anyway, it's on. Plug that in, put that back on, feed the wiring through, screw it on, connect it, new O-ring on there first before you screw all this down, and then you can put that back on. going to peel this off. Yes. My new lights. What do you think to them?
It's terrible. It's worse than my first video.
Oh. Anyway, that's the final product. Looks so much better on that front. What do you think to them? Oh wait, what do you think to them? I think they look mint.
Yeah, they look better.
Well, I'm glad we had this input.
Yeah.
Makes me feel so much better for spending £700.
What?
£400.